Grasshopper sits on a long line of lily pads. From any lily pad she can jump 5 pads to the right or 3 pads to the left. What is the fewest number of jumps she must make to reach the lily pad located 23 pads to the right of her starting position? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's call R the number of jumps of 5 to the right, and L the number of jumps of 3 to the left. Each right jump moves her +5, and each left jump moves her -3. Her total displacement must be 23 to the right. So 5 times R minus 3 times L equals 23. And we want to make the total number of jumps, R plus L, as small as possible. Solve the equation for R. We get R equals the quantity 23 plus 3L, all divided by 5. Now add L to get the total number of jumps. The total, R plus L, becomes 23 plus 8L, all over 5. This grows as L grows. So to use the fewest jumps we make L as small as possible. But R must be a whole number. So 23 plus 3L has to be divisible by 5. Now 23 leaves a remainder of 3 when divided by 5. So we need 3L to leave a remainder of 2. The smallest whole number L that works is 4. With L equal to 4, R equals 23 plus 12 over 5, which is 2035 over 5, equal to 407. So the fewest jumps is 407 plus 4, which is 411. The answer is 411.